everyone, and welcome to my third episode in the series of Concepts in Math. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about order of operation. So let's get started. First of all, what is order of operation? Order of operation is when you have such a big question, and you just go from left to right, and you end up with like a negative number or like a junk number. Well, yeah, you know that's not the answer to that question. What the order of operation does, it makes the question more reasonable. And this is how I would like to do it. I would take a little house with 3 floors. The first floor is parentheses. You check for parentheses in the problem. If there is none, you go to the next floor. If there is one, you do that first, then go to the next floor. And you do the same thing with all. In the second floor, it's divided between multiplication and division. Okay, and if you don't have that in your question, you go to the next floor, and if you do have that in your question, yeah, you just do that, and then you go to the next floor. And then you do, after that is also, the third room is split between addition and subtraction. And if when you've done that, you go to the attic, which is the roof, and you add the problem up. Now, I'm going to do 2 very similar questions. 7 times 2 plus equals. If we were doing the order of operation, there is no parentheses, so we go to the next floor. Multiplication and division, and you go from left to right. So this will be number 1. We do that first, and then this division right here is number 2. Okay, now is there any more? No. Now we go to addition and subtraction. There's only this one left, and that's subtraction. So that will be number 3. Okay, so the way now since we simplified it, this is the way we write it. 14, because the 7 times 2, plus 4 plus 4 equals, because the 14 I got from the 7 times 2, the 4 I got the 8 divided by 2, and the other 4 I got from the 5 minus 1. That equals 22. Let's see. Yeah, 22. Okay? So, here is another very similar question. 7 times 2 minus or plus 5 minus 1. But here's the thing. I'm going to put a parenthesis here, and a parentheses. Okay? There's still it's like but the same. Or you just added parentheses there, like, right? So, and then you do plus 8 and then divide by 2 equal. And we look first at the parentheses. There are parentheses in this question, so we would do that first. And then we look for multiplication and division left to right. So 7 will come first, which is 2. 2. Whoa, let me just adjust this. And then this will be 3 because that's division, but left to right makes it after the multiplication, and then you add, and then you subtract the 1 in the end. 4. Okay, so or 4. So let's rephrase, let's simplify this. 7 times 7 times 7 plus 4 plus 4 minus 1. 7 times 7 equals 49. 49 plus 4. 49 plus 4 is 53, and 53 minus 1 is 52. See, there's the same answer. There's the same same question, but you just added parentheses here, which made the two answers you got different. So you can see how the order of operation does. It's really like, you know. Now let's try going left to right. 7 times 7. The 7 times 2 plus 5, 7 is 49. Minus 1, 48. Plus 4, 42. Or 52. That still works. In some cases, like 1,000 or so, in some cases, not like this problem, you would end up with a different answer as this if you went from left to right. But in the order of operation, we did first the parentheses, then the multiplication and division, then the addition and subtraction, and then we added them. So yeah, that's how you do the order of operation. That's another way of shortcuts. It's a shortcut. It is also a simplified way. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!